What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Dodo. Come on. Why don't you take so long when we do it? Look, everybody, we're coming to you. We want to talk to you about the recent events of our page being hacked. Well, it's not what it looks like. Who in the world is going to hack their own page? I can't hack a page. Do you have a notebook? I don't got a notebook. Subscribe down below. What? Well, you go ahead and talk to the people. Talk to the people. Talk to the planet. Talk to the planet. Talk to the planet. You know what? You are happy. You are happy and promising. Happy and promising. Team Dodo. Just spam. Team Dodo. You sound like a wind-up dog. What is wrong with you? Just talk to the people. Is it your microphone? I don't know. Goodness gracious. Would you just speak to the people? Speak to the people. Team Dodo.
It's sugar. I need all my ladies to subscribe. We got a contest where you can win a fanny pack and a gift card. And for all you haters who don't like us, what the fuck?
Yeah, tell her. You heard my wife.
Take care of mine. Take care of yours, the fuck? I'll teach you how. Get your notebook and get your pen. I'ma teach you. The fuck? I take care of mine. Yeah, the fuck? Comment down below if you want Dodo to do a prank. Comment down below if you want Dodo to do a story time. And even calm down on your haters.
You're fucking up. That's not how we do it. That's not how we sit still. Fix it. No. Like we said, it's time for us to go. Leave it down in the description. I need a prescription, but leave it down in the description. Nothing will be there. Leave it in the comment section down below. Not in the description. No, down below. 333. If you think something was wrong with Baker's microphone, that's how we stay still and we don't go. Yeah, to the planet. We love you.